Hi, my name is Linda Vetras Nichols. I just moved to Asheville 6 months ago, and I was really desperate to find a chiropractor who did gentle chiropractic, who understands the neural system. And finally, because my husband met Dr. Jen, I was introduced to my new chiropractor, and I am delighted. She has helped me so much, and then she's introduced me to the girls who are doing myofascial release, and the emotional releases I have gotten from them have been incredible, and it's been a great combination for me.